On a serious note, though, Jamaica, how long we go sit down and make this your man, Andrew Holness, and in team sell we out to the highest bidder? No, sir. No, this can't right. No, look on this. Celebrating 60 years of Jamaican independence, but still depend him near beg? Still depend him near Ras beg? This your man ain't got no shame. Go beg and then go on social media brag and a boast like him do something great. Look on this your man here now. No, where you call to all them sitting here now? I'm not go brag and boast like for walk and pan your knee and beg like a sitting good. Yeah, do. Yeah, no. You come in like feel innovative skill only for walk and beg.
We have a very special guest all the way from the West Indies country, Jamaica.
And we are honored to welcome the Honorable Andrew Holness, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, to our show right here with us to share more about this amazing island country. Welcome.
Thanks for having me.
You have a rich culture and history. Just being there for a little bit, you learned more about it. Is that part of what makes Jamaica so special?
Jamaica has a very important place in the world, certainly in terms of our assertiveness against oppression and injustice. We've been a very loud voice in the international fora. And we are also a very loud voice now on important issues such as climate change, and a place for small island developing states like Jamaica. The international world can be a brutal place. It can ignore the needs of small island developing countries, which are open and vulnerable, and which sometimes can be forgotten. And our job is to ensure that people understand that, of course, Jamaica has lovely beaches. You know, small islands have lovely beaches, but there is an economy, and we are trying very hard to grow economy, support our people, and contribute to the world. Income. The government did give support. But Jamaicans have been very creative in finding ways to survive. And I believe that most Jamaicans are now seeing a recovery. Only, of course, to now be hit with inflation, high prices, energy prices going up again. So that's another crisis that we're facing. But the country is resilient. Our economy is rebounding dramatically. I mean, we have the highest level of recovery within the Caribbean.
What is your purpose for this visit?
Well, the visit is to just reaffirm the relationship between Jamaica and the United States. A very long, strong relationship, culturally, people to people, trade and investment. But we want to talk about specific things such as security. There are issues within the region which we want to have our face-to-face and direct discussions on, particularly the inflow of illegal weapons into Jamaica, and how we can work together to address that. And on the other side, to deal with issues of lottery scamming and so forth, which affects the United States heavily. We want to talk about energy and how we can partner to ensure that we have more renewables in our energy portfolio. And we want to talk about, of course, more investments and trade, possibilities for technology transfer, and human resource development.
There was so much to you celebrating the 60th year of independence. However, you mentioned that there are going to be some moves to become a full republic. What is the latest on that?
Yeah, so, you know, with the passage of generations, it is clear that there is an emerging sentiment in the country regarding what should be the organization of our state. And what we have done, our government, is to start that process. So it will eventually be, from everything that we've seen, from the opinion polls to what our leading opinion makers have been saying, and my own personal view, is that Jamaica will eventually become a republic, and we have started the process and the journey towards that.
Xaymaca, unity, them for know straight love we need in the community. It's time for us to unite, my brothers, my sisters. Let's join hands together. It's the only way to rise above inequality. One nation, freedom, my people, freedom.